welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna do a volcano out of this soda bottle with my little brother Aidan. Okay, first we need some ingredients and something to put inside some of these things. First we need a little bit hot water, it's warm water. First we need red food coloring. And next we need vinegar. Next we need some baking soda. And the last thing we need a soda bottle. Don't take a little soda bottle, just a big one, like mine. Okay, start to do a volcano. First we need food coloring inside this water. Let's do it. We need to put inside this giant water bottle.
Alright, enough.
Okay, enough. That's all we need. And then we need to put some water. Hot. You might spill. I don't want to spill. Of course. Helping right now. So my mom is holding the bottle for me. Wow, kalbek. Yeah, it's true, Aidan. Ibu kalbek, Ibu. Okay, it's enough. My mom said. Wow. Okay, the next step is I'm gonna put then we just need 2 scoops. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more. Wow. I don't know how many. I want to do this experiment. Okay, this is the last one. We just need 4 scoops of baking soda. Yay, soda! Yeah. First, we need to shake before we put the vinegar. 1, 2, 3, let's shake everyone. Wow, look at this. Okay, done. I'm done.
Okay, one more.
One more, Aidan. One more. Let's do it together, Aidan. Ooh, Aidan, touch. 1, 2, 3, shake. Ooh. Oh, shake it together and all the... We are gonna put the vinegar. I can open it. And open button. Let's try. Okay, I hope this works. Let's try it. Some more. Oh, we can't make it. I don't know why. Let's try to put more baking soda. Oh, then not. Yeah! Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. We need more baking soda and play with the water right over here.
Okay, it's done.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video gets... I'm sorry because this video is so short. Because we just need to make simple volcano. So you can do it at home and anywhere you can go. Anywhere you can do it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell and share it to your friends to watch. To do a volcano if your friends want to do a volcano. Bye bye. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Aidan.